Yeah, welcome. Let's talk about how to use stop loss. And before we use stop loss, let's go to our signal page. Now look at this signal, say buy ADA on Binance, and we have our buy price at 1.075, and also we have sell price one at 1.18, and we have sell price two at 1.29, and we also have sell price three at 1.397. Also down here we have our stop loss at 1.02125. Yeah, that is a signal. Now we want to know how to use our stop loss. In any coin you buy, there's always a fluctuation. Maybe the market starts going down, dropping, and you are scared of losing money. So now look as if the market is going up, going down, going up, going down. So and you are scared of losing money. This I will show you a way how to use stop loss now. Yeah, so this is how to set your stop loss. Yeah, click search for the coin. Yeah, click on it, ADA. Yeah, since you are selling, click on sell. Okay, now you want to set your stop loss automatically. Click on limit here. After clicking on limit, click on stop limit below. Yes, so here like this, the stop USDT. Now let's check our signal, our stop loss price. Yeah, this is our stop loss price. Yeah, we have our stop loss price right here, and our stop loss price say sell at 1.02125. So now let's set our stop loss price. Now just our stop loss exact stop loss price will be here 1.02 1.02. So now like this, just put a little above this, serve as a trigger price. Just put like 1.027. Yeah, then since we want to sell everything, just click on 100%. Yeah, then you can now click on sell. You can see if the last price drops to or below 1.027 USDT, and order to sell 12.4 at a price of 1.021 USDT will be placed. That is that about stop loss and stop limit. And the disadvantage of this is that if the market later hit your sell price, that is where you'll be making profit, it will not sell because you've already put it on stop limit. That's that about stop limit. Now let's talk about how to set stop loss at manually. This is automatically. So now let's talk about how to use stop loss manually. Now to use stop loss manually, just go to your trades. Yeah, we have ADA here. Go back to limit. Yes. So now before you can set up your stop loss manually, you have to cancel your open order first, your sell order first. Yeah, cancelled. Now go back here. Now you want to the price displaying here is the current market price. Now you want to and you see that the market is coming down. You don't want to lose money because the market might keep going down, so you don't want to lose more money, and you decide to sell at the current market price. You just click on the current market price, yeah, 0.07, and click on 100% since you'll be selling everything. Then click sell. You will see the market will be here. When the market reach the price, it will sell automatically. And that is how to use stop loss manually. The disadvantage is also that what market always fluctuates, and whatever is going up will always come down, and whatever is coming down will always go back up. So that's that about. If you can't have patience in crypto, you might not make money because crypto takes a lot of profit. That's that about stop loss and stop limit. Thank you.